Hello, welcome to lesson 11. In this lesson we'll be going over some tips and tricks regarding conspect and grouping, formatting and blocking the window division. Okay, first off, I created a file with the proper data we will be working on. This file consists of some products, some quarter data, first, second, third, and fourth, and the name of the customer. This is a very large file. It has 1000 rows around. Yeah, probably. Okay, and the reason for this is I wanted to show you how to work on such big data files and some tricks regarding this type of files and how to work with them. So until now we went over the ribbon and the tabs over the Home tab, a bit about the insertion, a bit about the formulas. So today we will be concentrating on the Data tab. I know we went over a bit about the sorting and filtering, but I will show you a bit more just to reference the data properly, just to work with such big files and just to make your life much easier. So first off, we'll go through the grouping. What does the grouping do? So basically in the tab with the outline group, you have the grouping button. Well, as you can see in the data product data, we have different types of materials. Here you have some chai, chang, Chateau Verte, etc. So what we need to do right now is let's unhide these data because I've hidden it before. What we need to do is to see each of these parts as one group, so we can hide them, so we can show them whenever we want. So by using the group button, we can do this. So let's mark the Alice button and create it as a first group. So let's click first button, and you see on the left corner that right at the moment that we began marking it, we created a group. And what this does is it creates this mark and the minus button over here. So by clicking on it, we can show and hide it. This makes your life much easier when you have many groups like in here. So we can create many other groups. Let's group this one also. Oh, sorry. Let's create a second part. Great. Oh yes, and here we made a simple error you can do while creating groups. You have to remember how to mark them properly. So basically we begin at category 1 and finish at Alice button. Create the category, group it. And over here you can see that the category finishes at the last point of when we mark this at the 15th row, it marks the 16th row as the last one. So to avoid this, you have to remember to leave at least one space of the group free. So when you group it, you can see that there's only the name of one of this group. So by clicking it, you will see the group's name. So basically what you want to do is mark it like this. And now you see that this group's name is the anise syrup. The same goes for the Boston crab meat. You want to leave the last one free. Okay, so we created 3 groups. What if we wanted to instantly show all of these groups? What do they consist of? Well, we have the 1, 2 buttons, and these buttons are responsible for allowing us to show all the groups at the same time. So basically, if you want to show the entire data